Guys, it's Corey from John Bear. So your service advisor is letting you know that you're due for a brake service, but you don't exactly know what that means. We're actually going to go talk to Jim at our St. Catharines location. He's going to give you the rundown on exactly what a brake service entails. Let's take a look.
My name is Jim Doran. I'm a technician at John Bear Buick, GMC, and I've been here for over 21 years. Brake service is where we take your front brakes apart. We clean where they sit in the bracket, top and bottom, inboard and outside of the pad. We clean the bracket and the pad all up, and then we use a special silicone lubricant to help the pad from being seized on. The benefits of a brake service would help to prolong the life of your brakes. Brakes that seize on because they're rusted and held on cause a drag, but also cause your brakes to wear out faster, causing you to replace your brakes quicker. Brake services should be done every 20,000 kilometers or once a year.
So that's it for this week's tip. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. And as always, check us out at johnbear.com, and we'll see you on the next one.